Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on the KP FLD Inventory Master Record, prepared by the Provincial TB Control Program in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This video will guide you through the process, starting from opening the workbook to using it to answer your first questions.
In this video, we will walk through 9 simple steps to effectively manage your inventory. From opening the master ledger to practicing good data habits, you will learn everything you need to know to use this tool with confidence. Step 1 is getting oriented. The workbook contains 10 tabs, but the golden rule is that you only ever type into the Master Ledger tab. All other tabs, including dashboards and trackers, use formulas that read from the Master Ledger. Typing into them directly will break these formulas. For Step 2, let's record your first receipt. Scroll to the first empty row at the bottom of the Master Ledger and fill in the required fields from left to right: date, drug name, received from, batch number, expiry date, and received quantity. Remember to leave the issuance fields blank for this receipt. Step 3 demonstrates how the workbook works for you. The moment you complete a row, the batch balance, the batch and expiry tracker, and all dashboards automatically update. You don't need to manually calculate anything. Step 4 is recording an issuance. When you type in the batch number, the stock on hand and expiry date columns will autofill to help you. Simply enter the recipient and the issued quantity. If a batch is brand new, you may need to enter the expiry date yourself. Step 5 covers batch priority. Before issuing, always check the batch and expiry tracker. It is automatically sorted so that the most urgent, critical batches are always at the top. The rule of thumb is to issue from the top of the list first. For Step 6, if something looks wrong, follow these rules. Do correct the figure and explain why in the remark column, and flag it if you are unsure. Do not delete the row, as that erases history, and never type over-calculated cells. Step 7 is about using the query dashboard. You can answer specific questions, like how much of a drug was issued to a site during a certain time frame, simply by using the filters. It requires no complex formulas. Step 8 is for zooming out on the KPI dashboard. By setting a start and end date, you can view the status of active, expired, or critical batches across the province, giving you the big picture at a single glance. Finally, Step 9, remember your 5 key habits. Always use the master ledger, utilize drop-downs instead of free typing, check stock before issuing, follow the tracker's priority order, and use the remark column for any necessary corrections. Now, try it yourself with this practice exercise. Given the scenario provided, determine which batch to issue, where to check your stock levels, and identify the fields that autofill in your workbook. You have now learned the whole workflow. Receiving, issuing, checking, and reporting will become second nature with practice. For any further questions or support, please reach out to the contacts listed on the screen. Thank you for watching.